How to dropship on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your dropshipping business on Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to have to do is create your Shopify store. Now, I already have started my 14-day free trial with Shopify, and you can start it off as well just by going on to shopify.com and then creating your account via your email address. Now, once you do that, this is going to be your basic dashboard on Shopify. And to get started with integrating your dropshipping business, you have to first decide where you're going to choose your supplier from. So you can go on to any third-party suppliers like Alibaba, Oberlo, or any other platforms that are available for you to opt for your supplier. So to actually set up your dropshipping business, so this is what my online store is currently looking like. So I only have one product. Now, how do I actually integrate the dropshipping business and what is dropshipping? Now, dropshipping is a business model in which you don't hold any inventory. You have your products be sold on your website without you actually manufacturing, creating, or participating in any form of the product creation. You just buy the products from someone else, usually overseas suppliers, and they ship your products directly to the customers, and you're just like the middleman in between. Now, to set up one of the most popular dropshipping supplier, Alibaba, what you have to do is go into your Shopify store, click on apps over here, and then you're just going to click on the starter pack. You're going to click on view more apps in this collection, or you can just search over here and search for Alibaba, and you can just search for the store over here. So let's search for Alibaba or AliExpress. So you can see over here that there are quite a few different applications that are available. So let's say I search for Alibaba over here. And then you can see Dropshipping Alibaba Official. So this is like one of their official applications by Alibaba, and you're just going to click on it over here. You're going to click on Add Application. And from Alibaba, you're going to be adding products directly onto your Shopify store. So you're going to click on Install App. And now your Alibaba and your Shopify account will be linked, and you can directly add products onto your Shopify store using Alibaba. And you might be wondering, hey, I don't have to create any product listings or anything like that. No, you don't. All you have to do is select your product. So now I'm on the dropshipping.alibaba.com section, and from here, what I can do is I'm going to search for the items that I want. So let's say I want to look for sneakers. So I'm going to search for sneakers over here. And within that, let's say I want to add these sneakers. So I'm just going to click on over here, and I'm going to add the sizes or all of that stuff. You can see all of these are available. They have their overviews, packaging, delivery, all of that information. Now, I will, at the end of this video, be discussing how to find authentic and reliable suppliers, but make sure to watch the video till the end to understand on how to find a good supplier on Alibaba. But what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add to Import List and click on Go to Import List, and now this is in your import list. Now you can see all of your details over here. Now once you add like a couple of products to your import list, you can add the product to your actual store. Now before you add it to your store, you can just click on any of these fields and change the product name in your store. So you can say, I want to rename this to Galaxy Sneakers. I'm going to click on over here, and then I can just click on the close button, and then you can rename all of this onto your Shopify store. Now, you can also click on the price and then increase the price as well. So you can click on multiplier, and you can enter a to multiplier and apply, or you can enter a value like so and apply over here. So I've applied this new value, and this is going to give me a higher profit. So you can really increase the Alibaba product profit to however much you want. But I would not recommend that you increase the prices too much, because that would be totally unfair, and it's going to be like unlikely that you're going to get sales on a product that is super overpriced unless it's a very good product. Now, once you have this in your import list, you can add it to your e-commerce store, and you can see, as I showed you guys over here, my store currently looks like this. It only has one product. And now I'm just going to click on push to store over here. And now this product is being pushed to my store. I just wait a couple of seconds for this to be pushed onto my store. I don't have to do any kind of listing work or create CSV files to import products. I can just do this, and just like that, I can click on view in my product. I can go back into my e-commerce store, and if I go into my catalog, or if I actually go into my product section over here, I'm just going to refresh it. Sometimes it takes like a couple of minutes for your Shopify store to actually add this. Now you can see over here the product has been added. I can find it in my Shopify dashboard over here. And if I click on preview on online store, now it is just going to load up over here, waiting for the listing to be correct. So just give it a few minutes if it's not showing up right away. But this is the product, so I'm just going to resave this like so. So it seems pretty good to me. I'm going to add the featured tag. Going to save it like so. Now I think my product will be live. So if I go into my online store over here, click on view. Yeah, so you can see over here that my product has been added over here and it has, different images. This is the other product that I had already added. So this is how easy and simple it is for you to start your dropshipping business using Shopify or any other third-party platform with Shopify like Alibaba, Oberlo, or any other product supplier. Now, I've discussed in length on how to actually start your dropshipping business, but there is another very essential part of dropshipping, which is finding a good supplier. So, how do you actually find a supplier that you can rely on? Well, there are quite a few important things that you need to keep in mind, and I have a list of pros and cons where you can determine whether you want to use a application like Alibaba, where there are mostly overseas suppliers, or you can go with Oberlo, where there are mostly local suppliers. So, with Alibaba, you have lower prices, a variety of products commonly used, and English speaking representatives. But there is the con of sometimes you have time differences, coordination, and shipping, and you can't do your due diligence when you're drop shipping with Alibaba products. You don't know what your customer is really getting because it never crosses your own eyes. But there are some important questions that if you ask all of these questions with your Alibaba suppliers, then you can definitely find a reliable supplier to work with on your dropshipping business. So make sure that you set your payment terms. If any of the products are patented, you cannot sell them because it would be illegal. So you want to ask that beforehand. Your packaging options, if they add custom labels, what are the production time and the sample fees for the samples that you want, what kind of company are you working with, if they are the manufacturers of the products or if they are just a trading company, and if the MOQ is negotiable. So the MOQ is the minimum order quantity, and if they do test orders, what material is the item made of, and if they can run you a 10% discount. Usually you can negotiate like a 5 to 10% discount with Alibaba suppliers, and if they allow inspections, and how are they going to ship the products to the customer. So these are just some important things to keep in mind when setting up your dropshipping business on Shopify. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create your own dropshipping business with Shopify. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video.